Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I've got the U96 Pack 14. There we go, we've got two kits for the non-commissioned officers. We have kit 55, which is a PCB, and kit 56 is another piece of the hull. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. Here is the submarine up today. There she is. Looking brilliant. Oh, we need the other compartment, won't I, as well? Oh no, we've got the three there. What am I talking about? Yeah, we're building on the non-commissioned officers, which will go here on compartment 4. Yeah, forgetting what I'm up to. I've been doing a little bit of colouring on the back as well. There we go. I'll show you this a bit closer. It is getting a bit of a big one, this one, mate. There we go. Yeah, those gaps will get closed up when we get more panelling on it. But yeah. And this one I need to complete as well yet, but I'll get on with that afterwards. I'm not sure if I'm going to do both sides. I'm definitely doing that side. I'm going to weather that side up, and then I'll have a look at the interior. The interior looks like spanking brand new, really, but and it does actually. Could do with weathering, really. I have seen one or two people's U-boats weathered, and they look pretty good, to be honest. But I'm not sure if I'm up to the job, basically. So anyway, let's get on with pack 14. Okay, up here we have kit 53. Just show you this. We have the forward bulkhead, the refrigeration unit, the bulkhead hatch, and we have two frames comprising of A, B, C, D and E, and the other with F, G and the H. There are no screws in this. Okay, now the first thing we do is to pop this door into place. It fits just there like that. See that alright? Yeah, you can see it fits into them hinges there. It's not supposed to open. Okay, we do need to pop some glue onto this door to keep it in place. I think we'll try here. You only need a little bit. You don't need too much. Pop that. Yeah, there's a couple of tabs there. There we go. I've not put it on the hinges because I don't want the glue on the outside. There we go. So that's the door in place. Next we need C, E and G off these frames, and we need that middle one there. Okay, no, that's not too bad at all. Okay, now move them to one side. C goes here into there, fits nicely into there actually, and E goes there, or would do, and G goes into there. I don't think it matters which way up that goes. It should just fit inside, same as that one. Yep. There we go. So that's C, E and G. C, E and G. I'll just get them glued. There we go, with just a little bit of glue. I'll pop the pieces into place obviously, and then just pop a bit of glue on the back of them. There we go. Excellent. That's C, E and G. Okay, next we need the refrigeration unit, which is 53.2. There's not a great lot of detail on it, but it goes into them two slots there. We just push fit this, so hopefully we're tight. Yeah, we don't need any glue for that. There we go. These pieces we keep for a later date. So that is kit 53 completed. Okay, now we have kit 54. We have the aft bulkhead, the door, stove and another door. There we go, those are our parts. First thing we need to do is to pop the grey door onto here. Now you can see it's not detailed as such, that's just, you can see them round circles. I think that's just come off the mould. Focus, there we go. That's that door in place. That's 54.2. Okay, next we need this frame from kit 53, and we need this piece 53.5, which is H. To take this off the sprue and watch out for some of these parts. There we go, that's better. Right. This piece will go on to here. There's four little, there we go, four little inserts for this. That will fit onto there, just like that. This is the stove. So there we go, that is the gimbal, as they call it, for the stove. So I'll glue that into place, show you in a sec. Okay, we can pop them to one side because we need the parts for the extractor hood, which is that piece and that piece. So them two pieces off. Only one piece left on there now, and this will basically go on to here. So this is the extractor hood for the stove. It's quite a nice tight snug fit that. Yep, it's gone down nice and straight. There we go. See all these little marks that we get through taking them off the sprue? This is when we can paint them. Just touch them up a little bit. There we go. I have got some grey and black for this, so I'll do the touching up a little bit later. But it's important to get any rough edges off. There we go. Excellent. So that is the extractor hood. Brilliant stuff. Let's get these in place. Okay, so the extractor hood goes into them two slots, just there, like that. That's a lovely tight fit. And well, we don't need to pop that into place just yet. We need, oh sorry, yeah we do. We need this 54.3. That will go here. Again, this is a lovely tight fit. That's the stove in place. Again, we won't need any glue for that. Well, there we go, there's the stove, there's the hood. Looking great, and I think that door does. Yeah, that door will open. Brilliant. And next we need these two pieces, B and D, off this frame. Again, just clean that up a little bit, and that piece will go into them two holes just there, like that. And this piece, there isn't any, well, there's a little bit of detail just there. Yeah, so make sure that is on the right hand side or nearest the door. That door has come off. I don't think it's supposed to open up really. But there we go. That's part B and D in place. So the last thing for this kit, kit 54, there is detail on this door, but you can't really see it on that camera. We just need to pop this door onto the non-commissioned officer's compartment. There's a couple of hinges there already. It should just press into place this. There we go. Excellent. That's how that looks. Brilliant. Looking cool. And there we go, that is kits 53 and 54 completed. Let's move on to kit 55. And here we have kit 55. This is a circuit board. Okay, so those are the parts. We have the PCB, a front and back cover. Basically, this circuit board will go there like that, and then we shall pop it into place by putting that cover on there like that. Yep, and we need to attach that together with two AP screws, and then all we need to do then is put the label on the cable, and I think we'll put the screw in from the top or the front. There is some labelling on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously that is for the sockets. There we go. All we need to do now is put this label on the cable. Better. Doesn't matter which end you put it on. There we go. Excellent. Then we can put it on the submarine. Okay, let's bring the submarine over. Now we need to pop this cable into here. Like I say, it doesn't matter which end you put in, so long as it's not the label end. There we go, it's gone in. It goes into socket 5. It was just a very, very tight fit. Now what we need is the 3 cables labelled L1. We don't need that one, but we do need these 3, and there we'll go 1, 2, 3. This is L1. This is L1 again, so it's not going to matter which goes in which. So I'm going to get, there we go. There's the other one. There it is. There's the other one. So we've got 3 L1s and L2 goes into number 4. So there we go. In 1, 2 and 3 are all L1s. L2 goes into socket 4. There we go, just like that. Now, need to move them out of the way. There's Get that one out of the way. Don't be awkward. This I can pop under here. Just there, like that. That's the PCB in place. Now obviously that PCB is loose, but we don't glue it. Just leave it for now. Excellent. Right, let's move on to kit 56. Here we have, this is kit 56, this is a hull plate. There we go. There's the hull plate. That's looking just like that. Brilliant. We have 56.2 and 56.3. We have AM screws, which are the silver ones, and AP screws, which are for plastic. Excellent. So what we need to do is to pop that connector there and that connector there. We pop that together with these AM screws. As I always use a little bit of oil. There we go. Brilliant. That's the 4 AM screws in place. Now we can attach this to the submarine. So I'll move them out of the way. We'll need the AP screws for this. Move that cable out of the way. It goes here. So I'll fit that at the back there, and then that will fit there and there. And you can see we want 1, 2 AP screws. There we go. Move that out a little bit. There we go. Don't worry about the gaps. They will get filled in later when it's all put together. But that is how this side of the U-boat is looking now. That's better. Just zoom out. Excellent. There we go. I do need to do some weathering on here and to fill these. Blacken them up just like here. But and I'll do the same along here as well. Yeah, gonna get some wash on it as well on this side. Well, that's looking pretty cool. Is it not? Excellent. So there we go. So that is pack 14 completed. We have that door there on the NCO's compartments, and here we have the 2 bulkheads. There we go. There's a door there which doesn't open, and the stove with the door that does open, an extractor hood. Looking brilliant. Now I need to touch these up a little bit. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the paint out. But that is looking superb. Excellent. So here we are. Let's have a look. Oh, flip it around. There we go. There's that other piece of the hull. Looking superb. Yeah, brilliant. Excellent stuff. I don't think we're even halfway through it yet. Obviously the NCO's compartment comes here in this vacant slot, but that's not finished yet. I'm going to have a look at pack 15 next, see what we've got. There wasn't a great lot in today's pack, but you know, we're getting there. Yeah, not sure about the weathering yet. I know some people have done the flooring in silver. That's a good idea, that actually. Probably look better in silver, but then again, once you've weathered it, there is a lot of detail in there, so it does look absolutely superb, must admit. But I'm going to concentrate on weathering the other side of the hull, the U-boat I should say, here, see how that comes off, and if I like it, I'll do it on this side as well. Brilliant stuff. Excellent. There we go. So that is pack 14 of the U96 U-boat. Another 4 weeks before the next pack comes along, obviously. But if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you do want to get this, just head along to Hachette. I'm sure they'll sell it to you, no problem whatsoever. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.